everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some KSCRAFT project shares for the month of September, and it's mainly fall and winter themed project shares, and I'm so excited to show you these ones that I've made. This one is called the apple cider shaker. Isn't it so cute and adorable? I've added these pearl balls in there because it looks like bubblies inside, and it includes this apple cutout with the leaf, and as well as this cider cup and the cider jug and the word apple cider, as well as this cork and the back piece for the cork. And yeah, I've added this polymer clay apple on there, and it just looks so adorable. So this is like one embellishment, and then I've made some of these, which are so cute. These are the pumpkin pie shakers, and I made 3 different flavors. One is the pumpkin pie, and it says here pumpkin spiced things, and it includes this really cute cream puff and this layer and piece on top, and then this pie. Super cute. And this collection is Simple Stories Harvest Market, and I also have it's a mixture of Simple Stories Cozy Days. I just love these 2 collections. They're so cute. And this one is blueberry flavor, and it says here Farmers Market. And we have here pies and pastries. This one is apple pie. So cute. So we have 3 different flavors: pumpkin pie, blueberry pie, and apple pie. And finally, this last project is so cute. It's called the Pumpkin Pie Mini Album. Isn't this so adorable? I just thought this was really cute. It includes this word pumpkin pie and the pumpkin with the leaf and stem. Can layer these up. I've added some this glue, sparkle glue, and it also includes these hinges, which is awesome, and these spoon and the fork, the cream puff, and this layer and piece for the pie. You can make it into a shaker, or you don't have to make it into a shaker. And I just thought this was cute because there's a raccoon here, and it's like the spoon is like scooping up either, like, what is it scooping up? Is it scooping up the raccoon, or is it scooping up the cream puff? Or is it scooping the pie? Who knows? But yeah, so it includes these forks and the spoon, which is really cute. And then when you open it up, you can like decorate it with these embellishments, your photos. I just thought these were just like so awesome. I love these embellishments. So I've already added some tape here, double-sided foam tape. You can use double-sided tape as well. And I'm gonna put this one here. You can also cut the background piece and make different patterns here if you like. And what else are we gonna put? I'm gonna put this blue one, or maybe the apple. Yes, the apple. There's gonna be more projects coming along. that I can fill up with this album. We're just gonna add these ones for now. So cute. I just love these embellishments. They're so adorable. So yeah, these are the products so far for fall, and I'll put the links where you can get this at the KSCRAFT AliExpress or KSCRAFT Amazon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.